Today I'm gonna color a tractor.
She's got, what color is that, Grant?
Purple.
You have purple. What color does Mary have?
Silver.
Silver, yes.
Triangle. A big dog. You can color a big tractor.
You just did. Wait, let me show. What's this tractor doing, Grant?
Molly, it has sparkle on the tire.
It has spikes on the tires.
Yeah.
Is it for
Mowing in the field.
mowing in the field?
Yeah, mowing in the field.
Great. Is it stuff?
Spikes?
Does the spikes help it get out of the mud?
Yeah.
Here you go.
It does.
Thank you, Mare. What are you going to do now, Mare? Got to roll it up a bit. What are we using now? That's too much. That's enough. That's enough. If you have the paint sticks too high, Grant, they break off. Okay? You did it, Mare. Mary. Stinker. Are you all done? Okay, I'll show you your drawing then, Mary. Yeah. That's Mary's drawing. Do you want this?
Hey, Mom was on a way.
Are you all done? Can I show it? Okay.
Yeah.
What's this tractor doing?
It has wagon tires all over it.
Wagon tires all over it?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Wow. Are you going to color some more? Here you go.
I'm gonna color pink, brown, and purple.
Might be a little dry. Oh, is it upside down? Yeah, it's upside down. That one might not work anymore.
I think this one can work. Okay.
Whoopsies, Mare. You want the pink? Granty, bring the paper closer to you. Bring it closer to you. There. Granty, what are you drawing?
Somebody.
Granty, what's wrong? Oh, that one's almost empty too? Oh no. That one isn't empty. The pink is full.
Maybe you can get a different one.
Yeah, we've got other colors. When you use the same color a lot, it gets used up.
Is there all this?
Right. Okay, let's end this video. Let's show your drawing. Okay. Granty, what's this tractor doing?
Getting the field all wet.
Getting the field all wet?
Yeah.
Oh my. Okay, let's show Mare Bears. Mary had fun making some dots with this paint stick. Okay, can you say bye? Can you say bye? Granty, can you say bye?